Update, hurricane. We're driving. Can barely see. Just kidding. Just now leaving. I'm going home. Everything's okay for now. Ooh, speed bump. The storm's gonna hit us. All the clouds are already really dark. I'm going home to protect my mom and Loki. I was just trying to be funny. So, I'll do an update as soon as I get home, so you guys know we're safe and everything's okay. All right? Speed bump. It still hasn't started yet for us. It's about to. Once it starts raining, it's literally not going to stop for a day and a half to two. So that's where we're at right now with South Florida. Talk to you guys soon. And I think we're going to be okay with this. It went a little bit further west to the state, which means we are out of the eye path, which is always a good thing. But there's other people that are in the eye path other than us, which need your prayers and support. All right, so if you can, wish us all the best, everybody in Florida, because it's gonna come up the whole state. All right, we'll take a leisurely drive. Before I sign off. In case you guys want to watch the video. So going in the same direction I am. Now we are on Dixie Highway, making a right going toward Commercial, in case anybody's interested. There is nothing open. People are boarded down. There's a curfew in Fort Lauderdale at 4 o'clock p.m. today, which that's why I'm going home. No need to be out and about if there's nothing going on. That guy. All right. So I'm going to post another video shortly once I get home. And I get all the footage that I have on my GoPro. Where is my GoPro, by the way? There's my GoPro. This is the calm before the storm. So, anybody in its path, be safe. I hear ambulance and, oh, there they are. Everybody be safe. Should be okay by this. I'll check in later on today.